All right, guys, you know that if you've been watching this channel for a while, that we talk a lot about preparedness. Every year, it seems like the grid is under more stress. I'm talking about the hurricanes. We're seeing more of them recently, and where they're getting bigger. We see heat waves. Just pull up the news, pull up the Weather Channel. Heat waves all over the place. Record-breaking heat waves. You see much of the United States that have seen 3-digit temperatures for prolonged periods of time, and this is during droughts. Then we've got wildfires. It seems like it's not a matter of if it's a wildfire season this year. Rather, how many wildfires are we going to experience? How bad is the toxicity in the air going to get? And are we safe? You've got AI data centers. You've got all kinds of stuff that is creating a lot of demand on the grid. Power consumption's at an all-time high, and do we have enough to go around? Today, I want to show you something that I've been testing around the property. Welcome back, guys. Start this video off with a thumbs up. You guys appreciate me bringing you guys some emergency preparedness type stuff like this. I tell you a lot about the problems, but not a lot about the solutions. So let's go into a solution that this one might fit your needs. This right here is the Jackery HomePower 3600 Plus. Think of it like a first aid kit for your home's electricity. When the power goes out, and I'm talking about hurricane power outages, rolling blackouts because, something else is taking up all of the power. Or maybe there's a crazy snowstorm that comes in, takes the power out. Maybe there's a wildfire that comes in, takes out power lines. You're out of power for a while. Lots of things these days can take out power and strip you bare bones of things that you normally use or rely on a daily basis. I'm talking about the refrigerator. You open up the refrigerator, you expect stuff to be cold, you expect beyond, you want to grab stuff for lunch, for dinner, or you run over to the freezer because you're a smart person. You buy stuff on sale, you put it in the freezer, it lasts a long time, you can pull it out when you need it, but your freezer might not be working. And how about the lights? You expect when you walk into the house, especially in the evening, you can flip on lights and they come on every single time you do it. What happens the day that you walk in and all of these things that you do by habit is stripped away? Here's another really big one. We are mostly reliant on Wi-Fi nowadays. If we do not have power to run Wi-Fi, there goes our communication. There goes our linkage to the world and talking to friends and family and maybe even making an emergency phone call. Crazy thing is during some power outages, you might not even be able to make a phone call. And that's aside the fact of your security probably running off of Wi-Fi as well. Your Ring camera, your security cameras, your lights, like those things probably will not operate or notify you and let you know of anything that's going on without Wi-Fi. And when it comes to surviving the cold or surviving the heat, you need AC, you need a heater, you need fans. If the power goes out, you cannot regulate temperature. And another thing that comes up to mind, like in the past, I've had gas generators. What happens when you don't have gas or can't get gas? I personally have always been a big fan, especially in the last few years, of no fumes and no gas and no noise. So one thing I have to mention here is that I noticed right away that this thing is easy to move around. It is surprisingly easy to move. It's got built-in wheels, telescopic handle. One person can move it around, and for it being a heavy unit with lots of power that lasts a long time, I think knowing that you can easily move it around is a very big deal. When it comes to like this Jackery unit right back here, that sucker is heavy. I mean, it's not like crazy heavy, but for maybe an elderly person or a small person, they're not going to be able to carry this thing around a ton. But when you have a telescopic handle and you can just put it out and then roll it around, that makes it really easy for a lot of people. Even a child can move that thing around. So this makes it especially great around a farm, moving it around a garage. My cabin right here, you can see it. It's out here by the the cabin. This thing can operate this entire cabin. It's easy to move it around if I need to pull it outside to do some work or if it needs to be on the inside. And when it comes to operating your workshop, this especially rings true for me. I can move this power station anywhere that I want, around my property, in a garage, in an area with no power, and I have as much power as I need. I can get any job done moving this anywhere I want and be completely remote. In fact, I've had this thing in the background in my other sets, and I would run my entire studio off this guy right here. And that's aside of the fact of it actually being able to run your home. So I'm talking about all the important stuff like toaster ovens, heaters, air conditioners, fridge, freezers, lights, everything that you need, run your laptop, Wi-Fi. Being able to run your household essentials is a big deal. So people need to understand that these things are not just for emergencies. Rather, power tools, DIY projects, working outside, changing equipment, projects in the middle of the yard where you don't want to run 200 feet of extension cord. I can charge all of my equipment, all of my batteries from this unit, no problem. And being able to run appliances away from the outlets when the storms arrive and they're already prepared. And as always, when I do these reviews, these companies give me really good links, really good discount codes for the community. Be sure to check the top of the description or the pinned comment. So I know a lot of you guys are thinking mentally like how this could matter in an emergency, how this could matter in my life. What people need to understand is during an outage, your priorities change. Important necessities rise to the top. You're now thinking about how am I going to handle food? Can I heat it? Can I cool it? Can I keep it frozen? Is it going to be okay? How do I prepare it? How am I going to handle food? The next one is water. Am I going to be able to have water? A lot of people don't know that when the power goes out, so does your faucet. And in our case, we have reservoir filled water purifiers that I can even run off the smaller Jackery. Another thing that's even more prominent than ever, even though we don't like to admit it, is the internet. We have internet that runs entertainment, phone calls, emergency situations, how-tos. Something happens, what do? We get on our phone and we research on how to handle the situation. If you don't have Wi-Fi, a lot of times you can't take care of a situation that is a normal protocol in the way that you do it these days with Wi-Fi. And a lot of us have been dealing with heat waves, let alone wild winter conditions. This heat has been outrageous. Knowing that you could run an air conditioner with this unit, knowing that you can run fans to keep the air moving, just putting on some damp clothing, staying wet, and having an air fan blowing on you, a box fan, a rotating fan. Like I showed you in this video right up here, I taught you guys how to make a DIY zero cost air conditioner for your home. I'll put a link to that one down in the description in case you guys didn't see it. Being able to do something about extreme heat when the power goes out could be crucial. And guys, just staying connected. Once we are disconnected this day and age, I feel like everything falls apart. So knowing that you still can stay connected in the way that you do every single day, keeping the Wi-Fi on, kind of important. So this Jackery HomePower 3600 Plus delivers 3600 watts, 3,584 watt hour capacity, expandable up to 21 kilowatts. So if you want it to be bigger, you can actually make this thing bigger and just stack on. So ideally you could get this unit and fit all your needs for today. And knowing that down the road that you could actually expand it later as your needs grow. Another feature that I think deserves more attention is the UPS. So regardless of when you unplug from power, we're talking about 10 milliseconds of it switching over. That means your computer stays running, your lights stay on, your Wi-Fi stays running. There's no interruption whatsoever. Another thing that I love about these units is there's always multiple charging methods. You can easily just plug it into an outlet. You can also set up all your solar panels and you can run it AC or DC. You can even use a gas generator to power this guy up and then run this thing for a long period of time and only have to run the gas generator long enough to charge up the unit. As you guys know, different emergencies require different solutions, and it's definitely nice having some options. Another great thing about Jackery, they've been around forever and they've got a great app that runs nearly everything. You can monitor everything from your phone. That includes the battery percentage. You can know right where the thing is at, the remaining run time. So maybe you've got a pull coming from the power station, maybe you're running a fan or an AC. It'll tell you how long it will run with that electrical pull. That way you can conserve energy when you need to, knowing exactly what kind of power usage you're using. You can also control charging settings. settings. Another thing is I could be off down at the neighbor's house and remotely check to see how status is, what's going on, and have full control there, which is a nice peace of mind. I've been using these things for 6 years. 6 years, I've got maybe 7 years, and I've used a lot of them, a lot of different ones. I know the value, and it's not short-term value for one storm. It's long-term value having these units available for whatever your needs are. Again, this is not something that you're just buying for one storm. You can rest assured knowing that you're gonna have around 6,000 battery cycles. 6,000, that's a lot. The thing is designed for over 10 years of use. Long-term investment is what I say. It's not just an emergency backup. Now, honestly, hopefully you never need to use backup power because it's gonna put you in a situation that you need to figure it out. But if you happen to need it, it's there and it's ready to go. Meaning no fuel runs, no running to the gas station to get gas, no loud noise generators running, just dependable backup power. Knowing that I have a power station, I am zero worried about when the lights go out, the power goes out. Most people worry about the refrigerator. Most people don't worry about lights too much, but it would be nice to have some lights. And the other two is communication and not letting your food go bad or your freezer food go bad. I think those have always been the big ones for me. So know that when the power goes out, the Jackery still is on. So visit the link down in the description. They always give us some really good deals just for our community. It'll be in the pinned comment as well. If you guys don't know how to get there, just simply Google search Jackery. And thanks for watching. Keep prepping, keep learning, keep doing. We'll see you guys on the next one.